Hello and welcome to today's program. Last time we looked at the program to add two numbers. We also looked at how to print LOL program in Java using IntelliJ and Eclipse. Now today we are going to see a program to subtract two numbers. So here what we are going to do is declaring variables, initializing them, and subtracting such variables from one another to get the real difference between the two numbers. Here I have my IntelliJ open, and I am going to right click this source and then go to new Java class, because that is what I'm working with. So I'm going to call this one difference. This class I'm going to call it difference and press enter. Now we have this class, public class difference, and I'm going to have the main method. And I told you last time, for you to do this, you can write main and then you tap for you to complete for a program to complete for you the main method. Here since it is numbers, we are still going to use int, maybe first number. Let me call it first number, not name, first number, and we are going to initialize it to maybe 45, and then int second number, and I am going to initialize it to 23. You can initialize to any other number. Then we have int difference. In difference, this difference, let me not, I just want to do the calculation direct, is equal to, because the variable difference is the one that is going to store for me the difference between the two numbers. So is equal to the first variable, which is the first number, then minus the second number, Now to see the results of the difference, I'm going to say system dot out dot print ln, and the inside here I'm going to print the difference. That is what I want to see. So when we run this program from here or from here, you can click on this and then click run, or run difference here. You can say run difference, this one here, or you can run it from here. So when you run it, we are going to see it down here. Let's give it some time, because here it is still building, and running at the same time. So let's give it some time. Well, that's good. Now you can see the result here down here on the console. So you can see here 22. That means 45 minus 23 is 42. Now I told you last time, for you to attach a message to it, because someone will just see 22, for you to attach message to this, you need to add what they call this exclamation, not exclamation, but quotation mark, then attach this difference. But here inside this, I can say the difference, then here I want to say the difference between, then I want to see the first number, between, then let me add another one here, between, let me say first number, because I want to see that number, and then here I want to add second number, then I add this string, but before that we need to have plus here, and then is, yeah, so it will read like the difference between 45 and 23 is 22. So if you run this, you will see that message down here. So yes, the difference, this line, the difference between 45 and 23 is 22. See, if you change this variable to other number, like maybe 40, let me say 43, and maybe this one to 95, and run it again, you will see the difference being different. So it will only be changing to 95 and 43, then gives you the difference. So like the difference between 95 and 43 is 52. So let me just move this one a bit for you to see. Thing like this is okay. Yeah, you can easily see now. Now this is for today. Hope you learned something. Please leave a like, subscribe, and give your comments. Thank you so much, and have a